Good morning. We're taking a bus. Today is Friday morning. It's a cruise day and we're taking a bus to Stanley Park. Wow. It's the bus stop. So after this we'll be boarding the ship Royal Caribbean to Alaska. Okay, we're getting off at Stanley Park. This is the loop. So the bus will loop back here. You can see the bus stop is looping back. It's electric bus using cables. Riding the bus here is very easy. You just use your Visa card. On the way in, you just tap once and there'll be a charge. You can use for 1.5 hours, and even though you go to the next bus stop, you tap again, it won't be charged. When you leave the bus, you just walk out. You don't even need to tap really. So minimum charge is $3. Stanley Park is a very serene and relaxing place. You can see around. There's a cottage there. You can see, and then the waterfront is over there. So we were thinking of looking for the miniature train, but couldn't see any more signboards. A lot of abandoned buildings here. We can't find the miniature railroad. So give up. We'll just go to the sea, and I think there will be quite a nice view from there. Okay, we are now at the waterfront. Just go and see if we can get a very nice shot from there. There's a seaplane. We're now at the seafront. So right in front of me is, right behind me is the bridge. This bridge is heading northbound, and this is the direction to Capilano Suspension Bridge. And the bus drop off is over there, where we came from the city center. After Stanley Park, we are now at Chinatown. Still along West Pender and stop at Abbott Street. So this is Chinatown. Okay, we are inside a mall. So cinema here, Cineplex. Nothing much, just have a look around. Okay, the junction of Taylor. So here I am in Chinatown. We are finally at the cruise terminal, checking into Royal Caribbean. We are now at Canada Place. So we're going looking for Convention Hall C. That's where they check in the cruise. Okay, checking in here. Cruise check-in. Hall C. Almost to the ship. There, Ovation of the sea. Okay, we are now at Vancouver skyline. You can see the tower on top there is the Vancouver lookout. And over here we have a helipad. Okay, finally we are in our cabin. It's not that small, quite spacious. You can see that we have place for a couple of luggages on the floor. And we have a fridge in here. With combination lock. And we even have a safe to keep our valuables in the cupboard. Of course, we can put our own clothes in this wardrobe here. And the toilet is in here. On top of that, we have a virtual window. There is a TV screen, so you can see the scenery live, exactly what is on outside. Let's go for an evening stroll after dinner. The boat still haven't departed from the shore yet. This is the gangway. This is the place that we watched the Yokohama port on our previous trip, Ovations of the Sea. So now, Ovation of the Sea is now at Vancouver. It's already 8 p.m. and the ship still hasn't left the port yet. Ovation of the Seas in Vancouver. It's the sunset at Vancouver. The ship has not departed yet. Hi guys, we are on the right side of the ship. Okay, this side is Vancouver Island, heading north towards Alaska, and we are still in Canada. You can see the islands there. That's the Vancouver Island. Okay, you can see today is a sunny day. It's 12 p.m. midday. And everybody is out enjoying the sun, even though the wind is so strong and it feels cold to me. Yeah, really cold. Okay, time for lunch. Okay, see you later. There, where they're blowing out the air from their nozzles, from their blowholes.